far, far away, where the golden rays of the sun are fractured by the towering silhouettes of ancient minarets. Continents embrace and unite in a dance of culture and time. Here, the call to prayer echoes over the domes of the many mosques, intertwining with the vibrant hums of bustling markets, holding an eternal dialogue between the East and West. Far beyond the city, imposing landscapes pierce the horizon in mesmerizing rock formations, standing tall against valleys carved by time itself. The silence of dawn is broken by the soft roar of countless lantern-like objects, floating across the radiant sky, carrying with them wandering figures, gazing as the sunrise reveals a land shaped by men and time. In a land far, far away.